Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video we are going to unbox the new POCO X4 Pro 5G. I am one of the POCO enthusiasts who received the POCO X4 Pro 5G for reviewing and testing. Of course, this won't affect my point of view in either way. I will tell you my personal experience, what I like and don't like. Don't forget to check the POCO community app in the descriptions, where you can find many contents and giveaways. The X4 Pro comes in a POCO characteristic black box with a yellow POCO branding on it. Inside we face some manuals and stickers, the silicone case and the SIM eject tool. Furthermore, there is the X4 Pro inside the box. I've got the laser black color here with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Last but not least, you get a 67W fast charger in the box. There is also a USB-C to USB-A cable included. The POCO X4 Pro has a great build quality. There are no sharp edges. Everything feels nice and smooth. The main body frame is plastic. On the back cover, we get the real glass. On the right side, we face the volume and power buttons. POCO put the fingerprint scanner into the power button like on other models, such as the POCO F3 or M4 Pro, which I also reviewed before. You can find the links in the descriptions. The fingerprint scanner works pretty fast and accurate. You can set up whether the fingerprint scanner should unlock the POCO X4 Pro by pressing or just touching the power button. In this case, I set up fingerprint unlocking by only touching it. There is nothing spectacular on the left side. The IR blaster is placed on the top of the phone. You also face the second stereo speaker here, which sounds pretty good. On the bottom there is the USB-C charging port, which supports fast charging up to 67W. The POCO X4 Pro charges fully in only 41 minutes on paper. Furthermore, here are also a stereo speaker and a headphone jack. In addition, we find a SIM card slot which supports dual 5G SIM cards. The 5G bands for Europe are supported. So if sometime 5G is available in your town, you can use 5G mobile networking. You can also use the SIM2 slot to expand your memory up to 1TB using a micro SD card. It's very surprising to see a 108 megapixel camera in this price segment. You can record Full HD videos with 30 FPS. In addition, there is also an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. On the front we have a 16 megapixel dot camera for selfies and a 6.67 inch Full HD Plus display. POCO decided to use a good AMOLED panel with DCI P3 wide color gamut and 120Hz refresh rate. If you look back, the POCO X3 Pro uses an LCD screen with 120Hz refresh rate. The AMOLED display of the X4 Pro is definitely a huge improvement over the X3 Pro's LCD screen. Also, the touch sampling rate increased from 240Hz to 360Hz. The peak brightness is 1200 nits. So this was my unboxing and very first impression video about the POCO X4 Pro 5G. Stay tuned for my in-depth review and the camera test video. Thank you for watching my video. Just subscribe my channel for more great videos. Stay healthy and see you next time.